Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the RSI right here in ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, we go right here to charts and then we are having here the chart. Let's say you want to see something else, you can go right here and search for the Bitcoin ETF right here, and then you are having here the Bitcoin ETF chart. Then right now we want to add the RSI, so we go right here to studies and strategies and then search right here for RSI. Then we have it right here, double click on it, then we do apply, okay. And now we are having here in the bottom the RSI. Let's say we want to delete the RSI from here, we go back exactly the same how we added the RSI. And then we click right here on the cross, apply, and then we do okay. And now we are having here an empty chart without the RSI. So this is how you can add the RSI right here on ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.